looks totally different, right?
It does.
Pickleball courts. I'm digging that.
That's all new.
This wasn't. None of this was here.
Yeah.
None of this was here last time. That's tennis.
Tennis ball.
Is that pickleball courts over there? It looks like. That's tennis. And just like that, we are set up, or close to being set up. Kristen's doing an auto scan on the television, but we are at Gardiner, Jellystone in Gardiner, New York. We've been here many times, and it's fixing to be a good time, so stick around.
It's 3.
Yeah.
You 3, 2 touch, 2 touch. Watch out. No, there's 3 people.
Oh, there was a carry?
Out. Yes, above your waist. You can't pick it up above your waist. Triple touch.
So what do you have to try to hit the person?
You have to take it below the feet. You have to hit them, and if you catch the ball and they hit it, then they're out.
Pretty cool.
They have ice cream.
Ah, I like that. That's pretty to the point. Slow. Children play 5.5 miles per hour. This means you are barely moving.
Anytime you want to come down, you grab the red book, and the hydraulic will save your life. And when you're done, you can just sanitize them.
Feeling confident, boy? You gonna ring that bell?
Step first, and then reach. Instead of reaching and pulling. It's better in the picture. There we go.
All right. Thank you. All right, Declan. Woo, buddy, nice job.
Gotta climb to the top, but we're never gonna stop. When the low, yeah, we going high. We're going high. We're going high. We're going high. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the air, yeah, I feel it. You better believe it. When the low, yeah, we going high. Gotta climb to the top.
How is it? Yeah? Jump right in. The cabanas look pretty good. We've got one for the rest of the week, but not just yet. Here's a look at one before it gets trashed tomorrow when we have it. Table with 4 seats. End table. Looks like garbage can, cool, refrigerator. Flat screen TV. Some decorative cute art. And of course, a couple of sunbathing chairs, lounge chairs. I don't know what you call it. Yeah! Woo! Get in there! The lights look good. Sharp.
What about?
We rented a golf cart. It's numbered Double Deuce. Yeah. Hold on, bump. Rented a hot tub. Dropped off right to your front of your site. So then as you come in towards the pavilion, you've got golf cart parking only. And then the pavilion has a bunch of, it looks like I don't know what it is. It's fireplaces. And I guess you could hang out here now if you want. I don't know. Great views in the background. Unbelievable. That thing is sick. I want one in my backyard. Individual restrooms. Comfort station. Bunch of cabins up there on the hill. I'm gonna guess because these cabins do not have bathrooms. So you all use the same bathroom, that's why. We rented the golf cart. They're slow. They do like 5 miles an hour, which makes sense because that's the speed limit in the place. I guess they don't want you buzzing around. Golf cart per day, I think it was like $75 per day, but we rented for 5 days, got a discount, $279. Ooh, we got a storm a-brewing.
Second day in a row.
Oh, nice.
With the rocks. See that little, like, looks like a tower on it? Sounds like he's traveling.
Golf term. You're all like fine. I don't know what you're doing.
Did he pee or poop? There's some pee-pee.
We gotta get the epic YouTube content.
Come on, take my phone. I'm gonna go run. Hold this down.
What's up, Josh?
Gotta catch him.
Woo! Hey! Now that is the comfort station. Let's see what it is. I don't know if it's showers as well or just bathrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for the tenters and the people up in the cabins that don't have a bathroom. Shower. Toilet, sink,
Wow, it's actually
everything you need. Very nice. I thought you went under already.
I'm not moving anywhere.
Nope.
Cole, you should hop in.
Matt, we should play that stabbing game.
I'm not catching these because all you kids are in the water scaring away the fish. Go down my dog. Doc Demon. And I'm leaving.
For good reason.
Did anyone else go down there while I was gone?
Hey,
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
my legs.
Shake my butt. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. So I shake my butt.
Stroke that out. It wasn't fair.
Oh, look, Melissa's jumping.
Middle-aged man playing with fire on a wood blowing.
Tandem fire pits.
Is that a blower?
Yeah, he's just
Whoa,
feeding
baby.
the fire to get it going.
Wow. Poor Rocky, you're covered with soot.
Well, that's the problem.
That was the tandem fire, so we can have a big oval. And this is the movie theater. Can't really see everybody.
Car will never fly again. Yeah, we had a hover conversion done in the early 21st
Trust me, there are people here. You just can't see them.
I set myself up as a blacksmith as a front while I attended to repair the damage to the time circuit.
He's enjoying his golf cart ride. Just chilling.
He's down there somewhere.
And then there's Declan. Where's Declan?
Declan, right here, picking your nose, picking your nose.
Come back! Rocky boy. Hey, bud.
The carnage. Trees all over the place. Here comes another wave. This dog's got his head on my lap.
What is that? That's the next camp we're getting.
There's firewood. What's this, Gold Rush?
That's
You could
like
go gold
the-
panning.
What is that called? The
They're redoing it. The mining station.
Mining.
There's wood for sale. Sold to the camp store.
It's not fun to yeah. Because we can't clog it without being yelled at now. We can't clog it without being yelled at.
I'm out of here.
You're out? Some wood being delivered. Here's the ice cream stand. Where the boys just got some ice cream. Yes. There's Neil's trailer. There's Dave's trailer. These are our
but it's
friends.
passing quick.
1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Yeah, go up the big hill.
I want to see it. I need to
Neil, stop.
make it happen. What is it? Is it Jiffy Pop? What do you call it?
Jiffy popping.
Oh!
Growing.
I've never seen such a thing. It's a glorious thing.
Some kind of wizardry.
It's amazing. Is that it? I think you're done. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it.
It's popping.
Holy cow. I've never seen. Open it up. I need to see it.
That is
Pop it.
You can't open it with your fingers.
You need a knife or something.
I just brought
Looks
one.
like a spaceship.
We have it on.
quick finger jab. Looks like an alien spaceship.
Smells delicious.
Wow. Great job. That was sick. Oh man, good job. That's not burned at all. Good work. Sorry to fast forward like this, but we are back home. We had a blast at Jellystone. Sorry I didn't get as much footage of the park as I normally like to, but you know, having a good time. And it gets away from me and I don't pull the camera out as much. This should be the last video with the iPhone. You know, we've been doing it for a couple months because we were having computer problems, couldn't use the vlogging camera, but I think that I fixed those problems. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Next trip should be back to Otter Lake, a couple backfill trips, and we go there next week. So stick around for that video. That'll be more family stuff, less of the park. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, Papa Wheelie.